Hi, so one of the questions I get asked most is how to incorporate crystals into your everyday decor. And so since it is spring, it is the perfect time. I love holiday wreaths, and it's a great non-obvious way to be able to incorporate crystals right at your front door. So you create a vibration and essence for everybody who walks in or walks out. You can pick one up that is pre-made, or if you're creative, you can definitely put one together yourself. And so let me show you the things that you're going to need to get started.
So this is what you can use, or what I recommend. It's easy because these are springy and they pop open. And you have 3 different options. They come in gold, copper, or silver. You're going to do 3 crystals. I mean, you can do more if you like, of your choice. And I would pre-cut some twine just so you're ready and prepared. Because the cages, are springy, they're versatile, and you can get the stone right in the cage like that. The citrine and the gold is a nice complement. And last but not least is turmoil. So you have the option of either really allowing the cages to take the forefront on your wreath by attaching it in a notable place. Like if you'd like to hide the stones so nobody sees them, you can kind of just tuck them in. So take your twine, and actually they have these awesome little risers on this one. Trim away the excess and just tuck. And then you're just going to follow that through. And so stand up your wreath, get them to work around so you can really see your stones if that's what you're going for. And then time to hang. Starting at the halo, we have the citrine for prosperity and abundance. And as you come on down, we have the black tourmaline, which is for protection. And last but not least, our beautiful rose quartz for unconditional love. So every time this opens and closes, you're gonna sweep in and sweep out the energy, and it creates this beautiful auric vibration. Have a happy spring, and thank you. Namaste.